एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 350 से लेकर 700 तक. रेडी, स्टार्ट. Asked him what he was thinking about. He would answer shortly, colon, inverted comma, shuru, work, full stop, inverted comma, close, and then one day he told her the truth, full stop. The big engineering works where he spent his days had set a competition for their workers. First up, the company desired to cut its operating costs and being a forward dash thinking undertaking, it believed that the workers themselves, who had to do the work, might probably able to think of always and means of improving methods. First up, the first prize was to be £500 if the best suggestion put forward seemed worth that sum. Full stop. So Will had thought and thought, and had put in his own ideas for the improvement of methods. Full stop. The following day, he told May, the employees were to learn who had won the prize. Full stop. May put her hands in his, for she saw that the cared very much, that he had high hopes, but she could not help feeling that the £500 would never be theirs. Full stop. She was wrong. Full stop. Will won the prize, and his suggestions were considered to be so outstanding that the directors of the company had marked him down as a man worth watching. Full stop. Para. So on that lovely day in June, Will and May had some houses to look over, houses in the country with rooms with a view. Full stop. The first of the houses turned out to be much too large. Full stop. The house was cheap, but it was old and would need much money spent on it before it would be any good at all. Full stop. The second house, on the other hand, was too small. Full stop. It was a pleasing little place, very clean and well planned, but far too small. Full stop. Para. May was beginning to have a heavy heart. Full stop. Perhaps even with the money in the bank, it would still be possible impossible for them to create a house to meet their requirements dash and their requirements, she believed, were so simple. Full stop. Para. They walked to the third house. Full stop. It was a little way out of the small market town, comma, of the principal street, comma, and the road leading to it had not been made up. Full stop. They had to walk carefully.